I have a Lennox 10F81 thermostat. What thermostat can I replace it with without requiring the furnace? That should say rewiring the furnace.
My name is I am happy to assist you today. Heating and air conditioning has been my specialty for 46 years, so not much I can't solve if given the opportunity. Please acknowledge each of my replies even if you are unable to perform a certain task I ask you to or if you are hoping for a different answer. Together I believe we can solve this and find the best solution for you. I am working on several projects, so allow a few minutes for me to reply between our correspondence. Tell me what wires you are currently using or attach a picture. That will tell me the type of system you have and thermostat we need. Also, what features are most important, such as auto changeover from heat to cool, programmable or Wi-Fi capable.
I just need a programmable with AC and heat changeover. The wires are labeled R, I plus, I, C.
Thanks for this information. The Lennox Stat is a communicating thermostat. 2 terminals provide 24 volts and the other 2 are data transfer terminals. The standard thermostats with letters like RWIC etc. are considered a conventional thermostat where each terminal controls a specific component. R is power, G controls blower, W controls heat, Y controls AC compressor, etc. While it may be possible, it is not recommended to replace the communicating with a conventional as you will lose some of the efficiency and functions. However, if you are determined to do so, give me model on your indoor and outdoor units and I can verify if it is possible to use the conventional. Note you will need at least 6 wires between units to do this. Let me know and we can go from here.
It does need to be AI Comfort because of the hub. Or is there another company that is compatible?
Yes, unless you get rid of the propriety stat and run at least 6 wires, you will need to stay with iComfort from a Lennox dealer.
Alright. Do you have an iComfort you would recommend? All the review I have read seem to be pretty negative. This unit is just over 5Y8M old. 8 months out of warranty.
iComfort should come directly from your Lennox dealer as they must be tuned to communicate, and off the shelf you will have more headaches than you can imagine if you buy online. I would call the Lennox dealer and get him to replace or run the new wiring, at least 6 wires between thermostat and units, and go with a conventional like the Honeywell T9.
That's all. Thanks for the help. Actually, why would the 6th wire be? I thought it would be 5. Power, comm, heat, AC, and blower.
Depending on exactly what type equipment you have, could be 7 or 8 but at least 6. R equals 24V power, W1/2 equals heat strips or furnace, O reversing valve, Y1 first stage compressor, Y2 second stage compressor, G blower fan, C 24V common. Example.
I can get the gas furnace info, but I'll have to go remove the AC comp cover to vet that info. We're supposed to have another foot of snow here today.
I understand. Get me models and I can make an accurate drawing if you decide to go the conventional route.
Here.
Looks like you will need 7 between furnace and thermostat and 3 between furnace and outdoor. We won't use the L in outdoor.
You mentioned this route is not optimal, correct? Is the communication unit worth keeping?
The reason the communicating is better is because it does just that. All 3 units, thermostat, furnace and AC, talk to each other. In other words, as the thermostat nears reaching humidity or temp level, it may signal the furnace or outdoor that they can change speeds or stages. They are constantly talking to each other. With a conventional thermostat where each letter controls something, each component is just turned off or on by basically a light switch.
Thanks for your help. I'll call my device company on Monday. At least I know my options.
It has been my pleasure. Thank you again for using JustAnswer to find the answers to your question. If you have any other questions or need additional follow-up, please let me know. I am happy to help. Hopefully this is helpful information and I have been accurate, polite and thorough in my answer. I work for a percentage of the fee you pay, so my income is largely dependent upon tips and bonuses. Therefore, any tip or bonus definitely appreciated if you were satisfied with my help. Please remember to rate when finished. You should see a link on your page to leave a review. Remember that after rating you can come back for free follow-up for the next 30 days.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.